Next up, we have part 4, which is to add an alt attribute to our images that explains if the image didn't load or if a user is unable to see the image itself, they're using a screen reader or something, it would explain where they are in the game. So we're getting a warning about this, but also it's just important that we do this. So let's refresh. Right now we have 0 wrong guesses. In the image, let's not display it, but let's add an alt attribute that says 0 out of 6, or whatever our max number wrong is going to be. So the way that we pass in an alt is just alt equals, and if we wanted to hard code it as 1 or something, we could do that. Instead, I'll make another variable called, I actually should be using const for these. I'll update that. I'll make a variable called alt text equals, and then I'll do a string with the back ticks and interpolate in the number of guesses so far. So this dot state dot n wrong, and then I'll do a slash, and then another $ braces this dot props dot max wrong. So I will say 5 out of 6 guesses or something like that. And then in here, we're just going to pass in alt equals alt text on the image. And let's make sure it works. Let's inspect the image right now. And it says 0 out of 6 guesses. Now, we guess something correct, it doesn't change. If we guess incorrectly, it now says 1 out of 6 guesses. And by the time we lose, if we do eventually lose, there we go, 6 out of 6 guesses. And we no longer can guess incorrectly, the buttons are gone. If we want to get fancy, we could update it to say game over, but that's fine. We have that text displayed down here. We say you lose, so it's accessible enough for now. Okay.